Good morning, students. Today we'll be looking at the question answers of chapter number 11, Dispersion of Light. So open to page number 144. Before I start, let me remind you that we have done this chapter in our previous term, in which we also did the first 9 questions of this chapter. Okay, first 9 questions. So now what you need to do is you have to go back and revise this chapter as well as learn these 9 questions. In this video, we will be covering the 3 more questions which I will be including. So you need to do these 3 questions, 14, 15 and 16. The rest 9 we already have done. So you don't need to copy them again. You just need to learn these questions answers if you have written them neatly somewhere. If you have not done these question answers, take help from the ones who have done these questions. Okay, so let's start with the first one, which is question number 14. What is optic fiber? Describe how it is used. Straightforward question. You need to learn about optic fiber and how it is used. So you can either find it from the book, but I also have included the answer in the coming part of the video, so you can check that out as well. Explain why we see rainbows. Okay, in here you have to have the knowledge of the white light and rainbows. So in order to answer this question, so before answering this question, you have to read about how rainbow is formed, what is basically rainbow, and where we get it. Okay, so you'll be able to answer it. What is the difference between convex and concave lenses? Okay, uh, in our previous term we learned about the lenses, so you need to revise this, that what is lens basically, and then you have to know what are the types of lenses and where they are used. Okay, so I hope you will be able to do this on your own, but if you have any problem solving these, I have included the answer in the coming part of the video. So pause the video now so you can see the answers. Okay, first try to do them by yourself and then you can check the answers. Okay, moving to the answers. Okay, here are the answers of the 3 questions, 14, 15 and 16. If you have any mistakes, correct them and write the answers correctly, and don't forget to learn the previous 9 questions along with these 3. I hope you will be able to learn these. If you have any issue, any problem regarding this chapter, you can directly send me a voice note. I will explain it there. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.